Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get sound on your Acer monitor. Sometimes when you connect your computer to an Acer monitor, you might find that there's no sound. Don't worry, this is a common issue with a few easy solutions. First, let's check your connections. Make sure the audio cable, whether it's HDMI DisplayPort or a 3.5mm jack, is securely plugged into both your monitor and your computer. A loose connection can easily cause audio problems. Next, let's dive into your monitor's settings. Navigate to the monitor's menu, usually done with buttons on the monitor itself. Look for the audio or sound section. Here you'll find an audio input setting. Make sure this is set to the same input source that you are using for your video signal. For example, if you're using an HDMI cable, the audio input should also be set to HDMI. Now let's move over to your computer. Go into your computer's sound settings. You can usually find this by right-clicking the speaker icon in your system tray. In the sound settings, look for default audio output device. From the list, select your Acer monitor. If you see multiple options for your monitor, try each one to find the one that works. If you've gone through all these steps and still don't have sound, sometimes a simple restart can do the trick. Restart both your computer and your monitor. This can often resolve any temporary software glitches that might be interfering with the audio output. Remember, some Acer monitors have built-in speakers while others don't. If your monitor doesn't have built-in speakers, you'll need to connect external speakers or headphones to get sound. If you're using external speakers, make sure they're properly connected to your monitor's audio output port, usually the 3.5mm jack. Finally, if you're still encountering sound issues, outdated or corrupted audio drivers could be the culprit. Consider updating the audio driver for your graphics card. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.